What is up with you, beautiful people? Okay, today we're going to be having another update about the MMAT. Okay, you already know the deal. You already know that MMAT is the stock of the channel. Now I'm just kidding. I have a lot of stocks on my channel, a lot of cryptos and some forex pairs. But again, I really want to keep you updated with MMAT. And in today's video, I'll what am I going to be talking about is basically about something about Sexui. Okay, that's about the SEKISUI and Meta. Okay, they're in a preparation for a full commercial deal. Okay, we're gonna be talking about that. Something that ain't right with the actual shares and all other good stuff. Something that George said, and also yeah, like that is approximately it. If we stumble about something else. And about some Ortex, okay, some Ortex informations, okay, you already know the deal. But and at the end, some predictions and technical analysis. So make sure to stick up and let's get straight into it. First of all, MMAT sitting at prices for around 346. Okay, at the moment 346. As I said yesterday, we were like 6.99% on the downside, but it is what it is. Like, not really concerned about that. As I predicted, I said, okay, so as you can see, we had a pretty beautiful run up to the upside. As you can see, pretty beautiful 3 days to the upside. And as I said, hey, come on, guys, like, do not be like really concerned about if a retrace comes in like at these areas, okay. And what like when I went on a 4 hour time frame right now, I'll maybe be looking for a basically I retrace around that area or like this area. Okay, let me just copy that thing up right here or at this area. Okay, why is that? Because there are some like great levels. A lot of orders were here back and forth. Okay, great volatility area, and also these are some key retest areas about how the market moves. Okay, could be an order block. Okay, this is a low, which I think that if you break through that, this is that will be the next low that we will not want to break through. Okay, so yeah, these are some just the zone that I think that we could touch before we kind of continue to push to the upside. And I'm not saying that we could not like kind of come to this zone right here below $3 and like 280 above that 280. Okay, but yeah, also like what I really wanted like what I wanted to say about the Vortex is that Vortex alerted a squeeze signal for MMAT this it was not this morning but like 20 hours ago or something like that. They did have a alert at 8:20 like yesterday at 26th of August 10 of 04 a.m. Okay, they had a short squeeze type 3 okay for MMAT. But right before it ran there were some posts about not buying and to hold tight as well as probably less like it will probably drop more. But yesterday we did pretty much good. Like we were only down 6%, and like this is pretty healthy and all the other good stuff. But um, the second thing that I really wanted to talk about is the Sexui and Meta, okay, are in a preparation of a full commercial deal in order to realize that Meta is further like developing their technology based on the current feedback, and it's working on mass manufacturing to support Sexui's ambition goals. Okay, what did they say? Well, basically, they say that Meta materials are a subset of functional materials. They are called this is about the metamaterials. Okay, so let me just say the project. Okay, the Sextui's vision of a new product was based on the idea that a metamaterial layer in their plastic films would enable a reflective or like property of the films that are redirected high that like they that redirect high frequency radio waves into areas of bad connectivity. Okay, they wanted to conduct a proof of concept or POC with Meta about the properties of all their materials. Okay, as it was also a new use case for Meta. So Sexui established an evolution system based on whenever or not the initial expected characteristics could be achieved and started to look into the appropriate product design. But Sexui innovation team in Silicon Valley did not have the testing facilities or equipment to execute tests with such prototypes. Okay, so they reached about So they reached out to the R&D team in Japan for support. The POC, or the proof of concept, was led by the R&D team in Japan, supported by the innovation team in Silicon Valley for the proof of concept. Meta, okay. Meta sent sample sheets on their metamaterial to Sexui. The data and computer simulation results were very convincing, and the desired characteristics were already achieved with first prototype. Okay, the outcome is that by combining Meta's special metamaterial layer with Sexui's plastic films, they developed on an innovative thin, transparent, and flexible radio wafer or reflection film that can be attached to any surface and can reflect radio waves in the sub 6 gigahertz and millimeter waves ranges. Okay, the surface reflects and redirects 5G and 6G radio waves, which is a pretty good thing. And these are some high Gs. Okay, improving a connectivity immediately and replacing metal reflector, which normally requires power supply. This new innovative product eliminates network user stress and blind spots in the communication. Okay, and supports the IoT transformation and significantly improves connectivity connections infrastructure. The ultimate customers for this new product are electronic telecommunications conductors, general contracts, or some contracts and telecommunication companies. Okay, Sexui and Meta are in preparation for full commercial deal. In order to realize that, Meta is further developing their technology based on the current feedback and is working on a mass manufacturing to support Sexui's ambition goals. Okay, so this is a pretty good thing that is happening with metamaterials and Sexui. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce the name is, okay, but yeah. Okay, so wait. Uh, Okay, so one person said, "Wait, how would they? How would that actually work if it reflects any signal? Can it block version A and T? Okay, then or T-Mobile or it's let's say T-Mobile invest in this. Can the other carrier or can the other carriers bounce off the signal as well, or do they all chip in, or does it get the government funding from the infrastructure bill, which most likely is which in most likely cities would get it first. I'm just curious how that would work." And one person said, "This more for companies which might exist in construction with low signal or propagation, okay, regardless of the operator. Think residential apartment buildings construction which guarantees signal reception wherever you are, or hospital which makes sure you are always connected. Okay, that's about that thing, which is a pretty good thing and can make a huge difference into the world. So that's why I love MMAT. Okay, that's about that thing. Someone also saw just sell 170k shares, as I saw on at right around 351, which is not a single mine, not uh, a how do I say it? A healthy mind will do that. Okay, so this is some bullshit right there. And also, what did George Polycarus said that the Duke Silva RCJs and Shapeshifter, the trade shows have gone well, and some orders are starting to take place. And the big event is in the 2021 International Association of Chefs of Police in September. Okay, that's about it, and that's about it overall for the video. As I said, I think that something like this could be happening. Okay, no, not that, bro. Let's just say it later. Let's just do it with two simple lines. Okay. Okay, that's my prediction. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.